Hi, I'm Karen Wetzel, and I'm one of the WSET Level 1 instructors here at the Napa Valley Wine Academy. I'm excited to tell you all about our WSET Level 1 Award in Wine course and how it's designed to help you officially start your wine journey. The Wine and Spirits Education Trust, also known as the WSET, is known around the world for its best-in-class wine, spirits, and sake education programs. WSET is globally recognized as the industry standard for wine and spirits knowledge. We're proud to say that more students trust us with their WSET certification than any other provider in the world outside of WSET headquarters in London. Because of this, we've been awarded the prestigious WSET Global Educator of the Year Award in 2016 and again in 2019, and that makes us the only WSET provider to have ever won this award twice. This is a beginner's course for those who want to officially start learning about wine. It's a great course if you have a personal interest in wine or for someone who works in the wine industry and wants to improve their wine skills. If this sounds like you, then WSET Level 1 is the perfect course to give you the knowledge you want to confidently enjoy wine with friends, colleagues, or clients. Here at the Napa Valley Wine Academy, we offer WSET Level 1 as a 4-week self-paced course that blends the online learning environment with live webinars and activities. And what would a wine course be without a wine tasting? We know that tasting is an important part of any course, and that's why we were one of the first schools to include wine kits with our WSET Level 1 course to make it easy and convenient for you to taste, explore, and learn. We start the course by teaching the basics of grape growing, and you'll learn how the vineyard environment impacts the style of different wines. Then we move on to winemaking, where you'll discover how grape juice turns into wine. You'll also learn how the choices a winemaker makes during production can impact the style of each of their wines. After winemaking, you'll learn about the most common types and styles of wine, and you'll become familiar with the most popular grapes along with their characteristics. Beyond this, we'll dive into examples of other wines beyond those most well-known ones. During the course, we'll help you understand how to read a wine label so you'll know what to expect from a wine inside the bottle. And we'll give you the tools, knowledge, and vocabulary you need to accurately taste and describe wine using the WSET's signature system called the Systematic Approach to Tasting. This is an easy system that will help you confidently and accurately describe any wine to anyone. We'll also teach you practical skills for ideal wine storage and the correct way of serving wine. Lastly, we'll talk about my favorite subject, serving wine with food. We'll teach you the principles of pairing wine with food in a way that makes it easy to apply to your everyday life. At the Napa Valley Wine Academy, we want to give you the best experience possible, and we offer a lot of advantages over other providers. We've built our own learning platform, so unlike other WSET schools, we don't just sell you the course and hand you off to the WSET. We support you along your entire journey. The program is divided into 6 modules, consisting of several lessons each, which makes it easy to digest all the material. All of our lessons have fun, interactive knowledge checks to reinforce your learning, and we've added practice quizzes within each module to make sure you're grasping all the key points. We've also included a comprehensive mock exam that can be taken as often as you'd like. During the course, you'll find many additional interactive, engaging exercises and hands-on experiments that'll demonstrate the content in a very memorable way. Beyond the online content, we know you want a personal experience too, so we've added live, interactive, instructor-led webinars. In these webinars, you'll taste wine and ask questions while an instructor, just like me, reviews key points. We know that a lot of students enroll in wine courses to be part of the wine community, so we've built in a discussion forum into our portal so you can interact with your instructor and classmates 24/7 to share your experiences, ask questions, and connect with other wine enthusiasts. To be successful in this course, you should plan on investing a minimum of 6 hours total study time. Every question comes directly from the study materials that we provide, and there's no need to spend countless hours reading extra books or searching online for additional information. The exam is administered completely online on your own computer in the comfort of your own home. In the end, we know this course will increase your knowledge and boost your confidence, whether you're working in the industry or just looking to enjoy a good glass of wine with friends. For me, wine isn't just a career, it's a lifestyle, and I want to share my passion, knowledge, and experience with you. I know how important this first step into the world of wine is, and I promise I'll work hard to make sure you have the best experience possible. You can register for WSET Level 1 through our website at napavalleywineacademy.com. And if you have any questions, we have a dedicated student success team that's standing by on our website chat feature, and you can also reach them by email or phone. I hope this presentation has helped you visualize the Level 1 experience. We'd love to welcome you as a student, and we thank you in advance for trusting us with your wine education. I hope to see you in a class soon so we can help you jumpstart your wine journey.